Chrysanthemum tea is a soothing and fragrant herbal infusion that has been treasured in traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, for centuries. Beyond its delightful floral aroma and delicate flavor, this tea offers a treasure trove of health benefits. In this video, we will dive into the history, uses, and scientific evidence behind the remarkable chrysanthemum tea. Historical significance. Chrysanthemum, known as Juhua in TCM, holds a revered place in Chinese culture and medicine. Its use dates back over 2,500 years to the time of Confucius, and it's often associated with longevity, rejuvenation, and balance. The ancient Chinese believed that chrysanthemum tea could cleanse the body of internal heat and toxins, promoting overall well-being. Components of chrysanthemum tea. Chrysanthemum tea is made from the dried flower petals of various chrysanthemum species, with Chrysanthemum morifolium being the most commonly used variety. These flowers are rich in essential oils, vitamins, such as B vitamins, and antioxidants like flavonoids and chlorogenic acid. Key benefits. Cooling effect. Chrysanthemum tea is celebrated for its cooling properties, making it a popular choice during hot summer months. TCM believes it helps dispel internal heat, reducing body temperature, and providing relief from heat-related discomforts like thirst and irritability. Eye health. Chrysanthemum tea is regarded as a natural remedy for eye strain and eye-related discomfort. It's believed to reduce redness, dryness, and improve overall eye health. Stress relief. TCM practitioners often recommend chrysanthemum tea as a stress-relieving elixir. Its mild sedative properties may help calm the nerves, reduce anxiety, and promote relaxation. Immune support. Rich in antioxidants, chrysanthemum tea can boost the immune system. Regular consumption may enhance the body's ability to combat infections and illness. Liver detoxification. TCM suggests that chrysanthemum can aid in detoxifying the liver. It's believed to help cleanse the liver of toxins and promote its overall health. Scientific evidence. Antioxidant properties. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry in 2010 investigated the antioxidant activity of Chrysanthemum morifolium flower extracts. The study found that the flower extracts exhibited significant antioxidant potential due to their high levels of flavonoids and phenolic compounds. This antioxidant capacity is believed to contribute to the health benefits of chrysanthemum tea. Eye health. Research published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology in 2016 explored the potential benefits of Chrysanthemum morifolium extract on eye health. The study indicated that the extract had protective effects on retinal cells and could be beneficial for preventing age-related eye diseases. This aligns with the traditional use of chrysanthemum tea for eye health. Preparation and consumption. To prepare chrysanthemum tea, dried chrysanthemum flowers are steeped in hot water. It's commonly consumed on its own or blended with other herbs and teas for added flavor and benefits. Chrysanthemum tea can be enjoyed both hot and cold, making it a versatile beverage for various seasons. In the world of traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, the synergy of herbs within carefully crafted formulas is a fundamental principle. TCM herbs are rarely used in isolation because their effects can be amplified or balanced when combined with other herbs. This harmonious blending of herbs creates a holistic approach to healing, tailored to an individual's unique constitution and health concerns. This is precisely why acupuncturists and TCM practitioners don't recommend simply purchasing and self-administering herbs. The importance lies in understanding how each herb interacts with an individual's body, addressing the root cause of their ailment, and avoiding potential imbalances or adverse reactions. Seeking the guidance of a qualified acupuncturist ensures that the right herbs are prescribed in the right proportions, delivering safe and effective outcomes. This video is intended solely for educational and informational purposes, underscoring the necessity of professional guidance when harnessing the power of TCM herbs for health and well-being. To conclude, chrysanthemum tea is not just a delightful floral infusion. It's a time-honored elixir that encapsulates the essence of traditional Chinese medicine. With its cooling properties, potential eye health benefits, stress-relieving qualities, and immune-boosting effects, it continues to captivate tea enthusiasts and health-conscious individuals alike. As modern science sheds light on its therapeutic potential, chrysanthemum tea remains a symbol of harmony between tradition and health.